Hey, good morning. This is Danny with Airy Painting. Just waiting here to see what the weather's going to do. There's a lot of precipitation in the radar, but it looks to be clearing up, so I'll probably be heading out here in a minute. But in the meantime, I was working on drilling holes in these new shutters. These new shutters come pre-primed. I'll be painting them to the choice of the customer. So what I'm doing, this just came out of the box, and I'm going to clean off these edges with a sanding block because they got little plastic on the edges. So there's always a little bit of preparation involved, even with new stuff. So just clean off the edge with a sanding block. Clean that off. The other side. Alright, what I do is I have a little table here with some wood strips to give me a nice 90-degree angle. This basically represents the window that I'll be putting up the shutter up against. Okay, so when I drill the holes, that they'll be even with the old shutter that I'll be using as a template. But first, you got to figure out what's top and what's bottom. Let's see. This top right here is a little bit smaller than the bottom. That's how you tell top from bottom. You can see it better with the old one. That's the top. That's the bottom. Alright. So once I get that, I'll figure, I number my shutters. This is the old one. This one's number 10. I don't know if the lighting's that good. Anyway. That's number 10. My even number is on the right side of my window. So that means that the left side of the shutter is going up against the window. So that's how I'm going to place that. Take my old shutter, center it up. They're slightly different, so I just have to center it on the ends. Alright, that looks good. Take my vices, tighten them down. And I'll start drilling the holes. I have a little level on the top of the drill that shows me if it's straight or not, so I'll use that. Once that bubbles in the middle. Hey Jojo.
I thought you were going somewhere.
I am in a minute. I'm doing a live video right now on Facebook though. What happens when you got a live feed. There's my dog. Come on, inside. Go. Inside. Sorry about that. Oh, I got 2 holes. 2 more left. Pretty much it. Take it off. Old shutter to the side. Clean this off a little bit. And the last step is to number it the same as the template, which was 10. So We want to put the same shutters back. Okay. Basically, I'm using the old shutter because I don't want to make new holes. I want to use the existing ones. No need to make more holes in the siding. So that's that. Number 10. I got 12 more to go, but I'm gonna head to the job now. So see you later.